What is the value of a? Given that you have 5 to the power of a plus 5 to the power of a equals 300, then let's have it to be solution from here. So from here we have 5 to the power of a in common, so we can factor it out to be 5 to the power of a, open parenthesis, this divided by this will give us 1. Then this 5 to the power of a divided by this will also give us 1 equals 300. So from here we have 5 to the power of a multiplied by 1 plus 1 will give us 2 equals 300. So from here, dividing through by 2, so this, we cancel out this. We have 5 to the power of a. 300 divided by 2 will give us 150. Then from here, we have 5 to the power of a equals, we can have this as 75 multiplied by 2. 75 times 2 will give us 150. And also, we have here to be 5 to the power of a equals, we can have 75 as 15 times 5 will give us 75 multiplied by 2. So we have 5 to the power of a equals, from here, 15 times 2, we can have here to be 5 times 30. 5 times 30 will give us 150 again. So let's introduce log to both sides. Here will be log 5 to the power of a equals log 5 times 30, put them in parentheses. Recall that when we have log p to the power of m, this power m will come down to base to be m multiplied by log p. And when we also have log a times b, as this equals as log a plus log b. We apply this one here, we apply the power law here. Meaning from here we have a multiplied by log 5 equals log 5 plus log 30. Then dividing through by log 5. From here, this will cancel out this. So we have a to be equals, let's divide this, we have here to be log, we have a to be equals log 5 plus log 30 divided by log 5. So divide by log 5, from here we have a to be equals log 5 divided by log 5 plus log 30 divided by log 5. A will be equals, this will divide by this, we have here to be 1 plus log 30 divided by log 5. So from here we have a to be equals 1 plus log, from here this will be 30 divided by log 5 and equals 1 plus log, you can have 30 as 5 times 6 in parentheses divided by log 5. So a will be equals 1 plus, this can be simplified as log 5 plus log 6 divided by log 5. So dividing through by this, here will be a equals 1 plus log 5 divided by log 5 plus log 6 divided by log 5. So A equals 1 plus this divided by this will be 1 plus log 6 divided by log 5. So A will be equals 1 plus 1 will give us 2 plus log 6 divided by log 5. Then let us record that when we have log A divided by log B equals as log A base B. So when we apply this one here, A will be equals 2 plus log 6 in base 5. This is the final answer for the value of A. Then let us now check. So to check, we have A to be equals 2 plus log 6 in base 5. Then we have 5 to the power of A plus 5 to the power of A equals 300. So from here, definitely we are going to have 5 to the power of 2 plus log 6 in base 5 plus 5 to the power of 2 plus log 6 in base 5. Then it's going to give us 300. So since this is repeated 2 times, we can factor it out to be 5 to the power of 2 plus log 6 in base 5. The first divided by this, we have it to be 1. This also divided by this will give us 1. Then it's going to give us 300. So 1 plus 1 will give us 2. So here will be 2 multiplied by 5 to the power of 2 plus log 6 in base 5. Then it's going to give us 300. Recall that when we have a to the power of m plus n equals as a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So applying it here, the 2 will stay. 5 to the power of 2 multiplied by 5 to the power of log 6 in base 5. Then are they going to give us 300? So from here, 5 to the power of 2 will give us 25 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 to the power of log 6 in base 5. Then it's going to give us 300. 25 times 2 will give us 50 multiplied by 5 to the power of log 6 in base 5. Is it going to give us 300? Recall from here that when we have a to the power of log b in base a, so far this base and this are the same, the output will be equals b, meaning that when we have 2 to the power of log 3 in base 2, so far this and this are the same, this will be equals 3. This and this are the same, this will be equals 6. So definitely we have 50 multiplied by 6, then it's going to give us 300. 6 times 0 will give us 0. 6 times 5 will give us 30. Make it to be 300 equals 300. So since the left hand side equals to the right hand side, this implies that A two plus log 6 in base 5 satisfy the problem given to us. If you are new here and find students interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more maths tutorial videos. Bye bye.